So, first of all, thank you so much, USD, for giving us this opportunity to attend this program, Servant Leadership. So, it was actually when you see the term servant leadership, I was very curious. It's not only me, I think many of us are very curious about it. So, the program, the 2 days workshop was really awesome, I should say that. So, to begin with Madana's, the presentations and followed by different other speeches, and it was very influencing actually. So, as to be the future servant leaders, I think it is a very mandate program which has to be, there across all the organizations. And we had a wonderful class which is delivered. So when you say about the term leadership, we never think about servant leadership. We had a complete different approach before attending this program.
That's right.
Yeah, so as he rightly mentioned, because after this program, what we felt is like, what a servant, because that term was literally different for us. So a servant is not a bad term, because that is what one of the things which Madana actually focused on. So after this program, we felt that we should be with the people. As a leader, we have to be with the people. It should not be it should be always participative. It should be a group participative. We should be with the people so that we can be the servant leader. In turn, automatically when we are with the people, it is giving a great impact to the organization as a whole. So automatically the goal is being achieved. Yeah, definitely, because actually we have a toolkit already, and it is actually like, if you ask me about it, we get to know the people more. Like, if you can say that it is a creativity, how to improve how to be focused, and the values, the different things which are mentioned in the toolkit, so that we can get an awareness on that, where do we stand exactly. Yes. We have MSLA. So one highlight of this program is like, we have already filled all these, right? Our colleagues have filled it for us, whom we actually know about, so they can guide us also.
Absolutely.
So after filling this MSLA survey, we have, and one highlight which I would like to focus here is, this program completely focused on this MSLA. So after each and every part, we could able to analyze where we are, and we could make improvements. So I never find this in some other programs, because the results are with us. Only thing, we should understand what went wrong, and we should analyze, and then we will develop ourselves to a servant leader.
Wonderful.
And it was completely a wonderful session where we all, I think I'm speaking on behalf of everybody, so it's not only one person. So I'm the future leader, because I've just started my career, so I'm the future leader. So for us, the beginners, to be a servant leader is one of the best opportunity that we can get from the organization like UST. And thank you so much for everybody, Madan, you and the other host speakers out there, for giving us this opportunity and to be very interactive as always.